Dear friends, I am keeping these videos for the educational purpose of the common people. In this video, let us have a small brief on security features of the currency notes and clean note policy adopted by the banks as per the RBI guidelines. Now, let us see some of the important features of the currency notes. You see, the currency notes are 2000, 500, 200, 100, 50, 20, 10, 5 and 2. I kept it separately, this 1 rupee and coins, because the 1 rupee and coins belonging to the central government, whereas all these notes are belonging to Reserve Bank of India. So the currency note up to 1 rupee and coins is the sole right of the government of India. That's why on 1 rupee note you can see the signature is Finance Secretary, Ministry of Finance will sign. Whereas on all other currency note, the Governor of Reserve Bank of India will sign. See. And this is Government of India note, and this is Reserve Bank of India guaranteed by central government. You see. Let us see the reverse side of the note. You see, this is Mangalyaan, this is Red Fort. On 500 rupees note, the reverse side is Red Fort, and on 2000 rupees note, reverse side is Mangalyaan. And here you see on 200 rupees note, Sanchi Stupa, and here on 100 rupees note, here reverse side is Rani Ka Vav. This is a heritage site in Gujarat, that is the step well, Rani Ka step well. And here reverse side of the 50 rupees note, Hampi, that is chariot. And then here reverse side of the 20 rupees, Ellora caves. And 10 rupees reverse side, wild animals, that is tiger, elephant and rhinoceros, etc. Then here reverse side of the 5 rupees note, that is tractor and a farmer plowing the field. Then here 2 rupees reverse side, this is Aryabhata, and 1 rupee reverse side, this is drilling, petroleum drilling in Bombay Highway. These are the coins. Now see the number. Here on 2 rupees note and 1 rupee note and 5 rupees note, the number will be printed on one side only. Please see it. Whereas from 10 rupees note, the number will be printed on both sides. See. Up to 20 rupees, here the number will start with 2 numericals, then alpha. You see. 2 numericals, 85B, 66N and 45M and 52F. So first 2 will be numericals, then alpha. This is up to 20 rupees. From 50 rupees onwards, first will be numerical, then alpha, that is letters. So 1DV. Here see. Here 6 CT, please see, 8 AU, that means only one numerical it will start, then 2 alpha letters, 2 letters will be there. So this is prefix for number. Here the numericals will be growing, you see, here small and here it is big. the size will change from left to right. Numericals, that number, please see. This is growing size. Let us see the some of the securities of features of the 500 rupees note. Here you can see latent image, that is 500 denomination will be visible if you put against light with 45 degrees angle. Let us see. Here you see how it is visible. If you put 45 degrees angle, it is visible like this. Even in 2000 also it is visible, you see. Just now it is visible. Are you able to see it? Yes. You have to put 45 degrees angle. Some of the other features are watermark. Let us see watermark. Here Mahatma Gandhi watermark is seen, you see. And along with 500 rupees, this both will be seen if you put against light. Watermark 500. Now let us see micro lettering. Are you able to see? RBI. Here RBI. This is visible when you put magnifying glass. Now you see the see-through register, this 500 denomination see-through register. Here the front side and back side also, the design is so perfectly printed, and if you keep against light, if you very perfectly, if you see through it, it will be very perfectly seen. You see this 500. If you see back side, this will be looks like this design. This is front side, this is back side, this design. This is windowed security thread. Please see. Here the color will changes green to blue when tilted. See, like this. Like see, the color will change. And intaglio printing, this is a raised printing, you can see. And here you can see 500. This is a raised one, that means even a blind person also, by touching it, they will notify this is 500 rupees note. So this will be a raised printing for braille people. That means they can easily touch the note and identify this is a 500 rupees note. Then angular lines, 5 lines will be there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these angular lines also raised ones, just if you touch it you can feel. And this side and this side also, these angular lines will be there. So by a blind person, by touching it, they can identify the note. In addition to that, they are now printing 500 in Devanagari Lipi, that is Sanskrit Lipi, that wording, in addition to 500. And this will be color changing, you see 500. Here if you see this side, it will be looks like this, and this will be, if you put like this, it will be another color 500. And back side also Swachh Bharat symbol is there. Then 15 languages, local languages, all these are available on the reverse side. And one more thing is, this see-through already you have seen, this 500 printing also there, and the year of printing also present here, 2019. The number panels are printed with fluorescent ink. You see, these number panels printed with fluorescent ink. And the note also contains various optical fibers. When put against ultraviolet lamp, you can see all these things. You see, these currency notes are made up of cotton rag, that is cotton paper. So it will give a crackling sound. You see, crackling sound. Even though the coins minting is sole right of Government of India, the Reserve Bank of India distribute the coins through the banks. And the banks also, they will keep separately the coins in small coin depot. The clean note policy under the guidelines of the Reserve Bank of India, the bankers will accept soiled notes at all branches of their bank. Soiled note means dirty notes. Soiled notes means dirty notes, washed notes, where no portion is missing in the currency note. So that is called as soiled notes. That can be exchanged at any branches of the bank. Whereas mutilated note, that is cut note. If cut note is there, it will be accepted at designated branches of the bank or RBI offices. The payment will be made as per the RBI guidelines in respect of the mutilated or cut notes. And coming to here, one of the important issues we should not forget. If a mutilated note is defaced intentionally, or some advertisement on the note, or sometimes they will put some design cutting on the notes, all these things will not be accepted by the banks. People should be very cautious while using currency notes. And some of the countries, to avoid all these things, they have introduced plastic currency. Plastic currency is nothing but polymer currency, or diaxially polypropylene is used for making this plastic currency. It is dust free, it is very hard, and it is washable, and further you cannot make counterfeit so easily. Why? Because it cannot be scanned, or it cannot be xeroxed, or some other things they cannot do. So lot of security features are available in the plastic currency. So, and moreover, it is highly durable, long lasting. In respect of the paper currency, it may be damaged easily, but in respect of the plastic currency, it will not be damaged. So in future we may see plastic currency also. This is all about, I want to share with you about the security feature of the currency note, as well as clean note policy of the bank under the guidelines of RBI. Thank you.